Shosho guys, welcome back to Speaker Now. I'm Silo Boy Taylor DJ. So today we're doing a throwback this day, and today ngiphethe ama legend kwaito because le conversation benginayo nomunye uTho mama yadisina lapha na ku Back to the City because kukhona performance kaMdu, so sibe ne debate like when it's come to kwaito, like who is the best producer kwaito, because I was saying I feel like Mdu, he's the best producer kwaba khona kwaito, and this guy would know speaking contribution kakhulu ekubuildweni kwaito nano Khandi Kalawa. So yeah, nama singicabanga iKalawa ngicabanga uSpeaker ngathi actually lamajida o2 are strong, so I debating zoshila kubantu abazi kwaito because I'm sure abantu abathanda kwaito bazofika kule video because abantu bekwaito they are always searching for all music. So I think I video chizolenda kubantu aba right, like mhlawumbe zivule lo debate mhlawumbe ubani best producer wekwaito between uSpeaker, uMandla Speaker noMdu, because o2 lamajida aphuma eKastle Khulu lihlonishwa eMzansi eSoweto, so uMdu waseZola lethu ayibizwa ngoMazola, then uSpeaker wasendofire. So abantu aba2 aba strong bane catalog eserious, but uMdu I feel like uthanda uba ngaphezulu because uMdu uphinde be artist, and uSpeaker even though enazi ngoma releases i-artist but akanazo lezo ngoma eningi, like even right now uSpeaker akasolo umuntu osathatha ama-gig mhlawumbe akude, mhlawumbe usaperforma ko-Jozi, just ethi mina angaze ngimbone empilweni since ngaqala uku-attend ama-shows nama-concert. But uMdu usawahamba ama-festival, like for example lezi festival ebig yenzeka eDurban ngomhla ka-6 December ibizwa ngeGagas FM Beach Fest. uMdu omunye ama-artists azobe performa khona because usenayo lo ephinde enze lo ma-appearance ezi-legend njengoba ede khona ku-Back to the City laphana lekade laphana eJoburg eNewtown. So mina I feel like uMdu when it's come to ama-hits like i-production, because uMdu abanye bathi uyi-founder yekwaito, abanye bathi noSpeaker like uyi-involve. Angazi mthi ikwaito yaqala nini kanjani because nami ngangazalwa, nami ngazalwa ikwaito esiyipopa, but uMdu hayi no bephabaza eredweni. The time ngiqala ngikhule ngibe intwana nami nginotice kwaito uMdu omunye umuntu wede phabaza ngempela eredweni, even engahlukanisa unyaka okhosini uthi alalela kule Sedi FM uMdu uhlonisa unyaka. So I feel like uMazola mina ongaphezulu, but ke abanye abantu uMandla Speaker contribution yakhe inkulu kakhulu kwaito because uyena umuntu onesandla heavy lapha ekubuildeni iKalawa record, okuyiyona irecord label ehlonisha wona isikhathi kwaito because aba producer ama-stars amaningi and isebe last day kwi game isikhathi eside kakhulu. But ke Speaker Now social bona abantu abazi kwaito abantu ade bekhona mhlawumbe nabanye abanomlando mhlawumbe bengasha ama comment lapha ku YouTube nje, but I feel like le throwback namhlanje sinikezela umphakathi. Mina yami i-comment izophela lapho because even though kwaito ngiyazi but nami ngibambe endleleni angiyazi ukuthi aqala kanjani abantu abama-founders, but engikwazi uMdu wayekhona from the beginning. But noSpeaker ke bayasho basho kuthiwa noSpeaker no mina uSpeaker ngimazi ngo-current la lapho ko-current nanendlela akacontribute ngakwi-career abantu abafana nabo-professor ade benza iDurban kwaito lapho uSpeaker ube heavy kakhulu lapho. But kwezinye izinto like ama-hits ongamakhulu kakhulu angilazi igama lakhe, even uBricks ya uSpeaker nakhona lapho zikhona ingoma laphana uBricks ade ehlephula ngazo laphana producer uSpeaker, even nabo Pro Kid. So actually kahle uSpeaker na i-contribution yakhe inkulu, nami ngathi zikhona engizaziyo, so nje ngiconfuse nami, but ke ngizoshare khona lapho kuSpeaker Nawe bazocomment abantu bethu abazoyithola le video because i-throwback Thursday namhlanje senza sishutha ku Thursday because sifuna abantu silo sibabulisa emuva, so that nama-2K lawalela le drill nantoni ledlalayo bezobe bethu rewind belalela la ukuthi umusic oqale kanjani, because I feel ngathi lento enzeke South Africa right now like amapiano yonke le isiphithiphithi senzakalayo sonke lesiphithiphithi sizalwa ekwaito, so kubalekile siphinde sithatha ama-flowers siwabuyisele emuva Back to ikwaito. Sekhona uTwitter @Speaker Now, sikhona kuFacebook Speaker Now, Instagram Speaker Now, my personal Twitter account @go_Nkosi.